Hi, namaste, सबैजनालाई. Hello everyone. So I hope you are doing good. I'm sorry for the delay, maybe by 15 minutes, but I will try to be on time from tomorrow. Okay, so this session, it especially in English, it will be in English. Pardon me for if my English is not so good. I mean, my English is not so good. So if I make grammatical mistakes, I apologize. So I especially wanted to make this video for the live session, especially because the first thing is that this online harassment of online. Okay, first let me please comment here if you are able to listen. If you are able to listen, I would be glad somebody would comment. So just a minute. Okay. I hope you are listening me because I'm alone here and not able to look properly towards your comments. Maybe if you have any questions, please drop in the comment box so that I will be able to. I will answer them in the next coming videos. Okay, so yes, the first thing is that this is simultaneously being broadcasted from like a stay for South Asia pages and Nepal to Mars. So first, why I am doing it to the whole South Asia? Why I am concentrating to the whole South Asia? Because the first thing is that I will show you my uh, uh, I will show you my. Okay, yes. Okay. This the problem of the roast videos and online harassment, especially to childrens, to any particular caste, creed, community. This is not only the problem of Nepal. I will tell you why. This is not the only problem Nepal. It is the problem of South Asia because the first thing is that YouTube and Facebook they all have moderators which they don't whom most of them focus on the European countries uh, and America, right? So even like there are hardly any people like moderators focus on that. So see, this type of videos, the roast videos targeted to children and other communities are communities get viral because they get viral because it is like easiest way to make money, right? It is easiest way to make money in this like by making a video. But see, when they are targeting some person like individual, they are targeting the YouTubers. Okay, I'm saying they means YouTubers are targeting persons concern particular person, particular race, particular ethnicity, and YouTube is doing nothing about this. Okay, even like even if until and unless it goes to the whole national media, like YouTube will really not hear about all these things, but these videos are getting viral. The thing is that uh, in my article I had talked about the roast videos that YouTube doesn't want to show you. YouTube makes this video viral. The YouTuber gets fame, YouTuber gets money, but at the cost of emotional expenses of many people, many personal people. In this today is day third actually. I started my tweet from the Saturday. So today it is a day third, and today so we are going to focus on we are going to focus on why this is the case, right? uh, um, okay. Okay. Uh, Today, this question is why this fight? Why roast video targeted to Sachin and Nikisa is wrong, right? So, I mean, the first thing is that these are the roast videos. We get entertained with these videos and we laugh. Yes, we are very entertained, like anything. And but the thing is that we don't know why this is wrong, right? Okay, so before I want to give a background. Okay, like if you haven't seen this video yesterday, so I want to give a background that many YouTubers are making a roasted videos, and these roasted videos are being attacked personally, and they are, as I said, they are doing it for the fame and for the money. YouTube is not acting on this. So this is our step, that we want to force YouTube so that they reveal their stand against what is their stand about the roast videos. Will they continue to allow every type of this type of videos every time? Will they continue like this type of things, or like see it's not will see this is as I can show you here, uh, the dark side of roast videos that YouTube doesn't want to show about. So in this video, I'm talking about Sachin and Nikisa, right? Okay, so I want to be precise here. In this video, in this article, I'm talking about Sachin and Nikisa, and a few months ago, James Srestha, one of a YouTuber, had created a video about Nikisa Srestha. Nikisa was earlier known for a known as a boy. I mean, as a Nikis, but because of his identity, he changed his identity, and he was creating videos on TikTok and many things. But James Sister gave a gave it. He made a roast video about that. Okay, and Sachin Sachin Pariyar is like a kid from a rural part of Nepal. So he was a dropout, and he couldn't afford the educations, and so this guy there are many YouTubers so the made the video, and it was nice, but then later one guy named Jalan, as you can see the one, this guy made a video Sojo Fuche versus. Okay, see, so this type of this video was actually harassment. Okay, this video was actually a harassment, like online harassment for here. So he this Jalan, he made up combined different interviews and to make a dummy interview, and then of course it generated, see, you can see here 1.5 million views already, right? You can see this video, and it is he is using lots of abusive languages, and he's trying to defame a guy, defame a small. Sachin is a small 8 or 9 year old boy, and he's trying to defame this guy. So what happened here is that see, I will tell you why it is wrong. Here Sachin is a small child, and he doesn't have uh, uh, according to the children's online privacy protection, the videos about the children should not be distributed that way. Okay, so videos should not be no one is allowed to make such videos, because see, if as a child I remember, there were many stupid questions asked to me, and I really feel irritated about that. So he is asking that type of questions, and he's trying to make videos, and he's trying to harass a guy. He's doing a bullying, and you can see you might, it is a roast video. Okay, so many people are doing that. Okay, and James Sester, as you can see, James Sester, he is trying to react to Nikki Sester TikTok. Okay, and he is using in very difficult, I mean, he is using a very harsh word, he is using harassments, and he's trying to. So the thing is that YouTube, people are speaking about this one, but the voice is not enough. Okay, the voice is not enough. So So the voice is not enough. So this is why we started a campaign, and so that the YouTubers need to. We started a campaign to force YouTube so that they will be able to reveal their stand. YouTube will be able to reveal this stand about what is the situation. Okay, what is the stand about the roasted videos, what type of videos are available, what type of videos are not available. See, if you think that many of you might think that the videos about Sachin and Nikita is just a roast and it is not a harassment, but it is. It is okay. See, yes, it is, because it targets personally. It targets about the identity of Nikisa. It targets about the about innocence of Sachin and see. And the problem is not only here Zalan and Sachin. These type of videos are being created every day by many YouTubers. See, this is not the one. This is not the only case. Many people are creating these videos for a good fame, for a good money, but at the expense of personal things. Tomorrow you and I can be victim of this type of uh, online harassment. Tomorrow you and my children can be the victim of this type of online harassment. So it's a time that we raise our voice to ask YouTube and other social media what is their stand about roasted videos. I hope they will be able to reveal soon. And until and unless they won't give the answer, we will be online here every evening, and we shall be asking questions to YouTube, and we shall be asking questions to social media about their stand. So we are in this journey to protect our children, to protect our uh, whoever the person is, the unknown person, but they need our protection, and they should not be harassed in YouTube and Facebook. And the thing is that, as I said, why we are doing this, because media is not talking all about this. I hope as we continue to speak, media will give their media will join with us. And if any media can come, and if they raise their voices, of course it will be the national level. So this is not the only case of only Sachin. This is not the case of only Nepal. Okay, not in the Nepal. Only in the every part of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, where in the South Asia, these type of things are happening. It happens in Africa, because YouTube is the easiest way to earn money. But YouTube should rethink its strategy. What type of roasted videos are allowed? Yes, maybe if you say the against the politicians or against any social degradation, it might be, but it should not be allowed when the person is targeting publicly targeting at a personal level. I hope you understand. Every day, every weekday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we will be online at 10:45 p.m. I'm sorry for this late time, but I hope you will be able to follow us. And we have also like a hashtag, right? So I can show you here this one. Uh, okay, see the fight against roast video. Fight against roast video is like a Twitter hashtag. And if you want to know more about this content, you can see this bit.ly fight against roast. So you will you will be able to get my this article. You will be able to see this article of mine, and so I have explained everything about the videos over here. So I hope Okay, maybe if not today, maybe not in 1 month, but if at least in 1 year, if YouTube can reveal its stand on the roast videos, it will be a different story after that for many people around the world. I'm sorry for my English communications, I'm sorry for my fluency, but this is something I really wanted to say. This is something really we needed to stand, and I couldn't stand on my personal weakness to and hold these things that, oh, I don't know how to say. Okay, the thing is that I will not be speaking every day. I mean, I will be hosting the show. Okay, I will be hosting the show. We'll be hosting the show on YouTube and Facebook, both on the Nepal to Mars channel and on YouTube and on Facebook. Okay, so if you are expert in this thing, if you are expert in online protections, and if you are expert in if you are a journalist, or if you are if you have something to say about the women and children online violence, online harassment, if you have anything to say, maybe we can do a recorded session, or we can also do a live, and or we can also do a question answer sessions with our audience. Okay, so please join us. And this is not only the case of only Sachin or Nikisa. It is the case of the whole people. It is the like, because it is it tomorrow any one of us can be targeted with this. So I want all of us to join hands and to ask YouTube, what is your stand on targeted and roasted videos? I hope uh, it is good for today. Thank you for joining me. Please drop me message, and please drop a comment, and please share this video so that it will reach with many people. It will reach with many people. Please like and comment. I mean, I'm not doing it for the business purpose. Okay, please like and comment so that many people will be able to get to know about these issues. Okay, so once again I say, today video was about like why the video of Jalan, and why the video of targeted to Sachin and Nikisa is a bullying, and why it is wrong. Tomorrow we will try to speak more about. Tomorrow we'll try to speak more about uh, the overall South Asia contest, or we will let you know. Yes, one thing, we will not doing it every day in English, because uh, we will be doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday in English, and uh, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday in Nepali. Okay. Yes, we can do it in Hindi also someday if it is possible. Thank you for joining, and thank you so much. And I hope we will make YouTube answer this question. This is about what is the stand about the roasted videos. Thank you so much. Namaste and bye bye.